Oh man, come on, go to the next door. Hey guys, Steve with SMACs Garage here. It's always been a dream of mine to start a YouTube channel, and I finally have a place to do it. So stay tuned for what I have in store. Here it is. Here on this channel, I really want to be transparent, honest with you guys about a lot of our projects here. So pricing, how long a project takes, it's a big deal to me. What I want to say. Anyways, back to our scheduled programming. Transparency. Why is that important to me? It's because me and you both know that any project we do is going to probably take longer than the SRT time. Standard repair time. How long anybody normally says it takes? We add hour, 2 hours, 8 hours, depending on the project. Easy exhaust project, half hour. No, I'm kidding. But we have a couple goals in this channel, and the first two goals, we have a 2-post lift on order. 2-post lift. It's an AMGO 2-post lift. It's gonna go right where the car is, right here. We'll be able to. It's a 9,000 pound lift. We'll be able to use that to lift the car, the truck, and the E36. We're gonna do a nice little video on that. Also, all this junk you see on the other side of me, that needs to go. That needs a home, because I'm not tripping over that when we have a lift in here. So we are working on a storage solution for that right now. That might be a Connex, that might be a portable storage container. We're not really sure yet. Leaning towards Connex. But once that's all done, we'll do a nice little video for you guys. So I'm going to get into a few of the projects we're going to have on this channel. This beautiful Audi. Just kidding. We don't like Audis. No, I'm 1000% kidding there. 2016 BMW M3, 6-speed manual. We also just picked up a 2018 S1000R, but we call this the Catfish G310. This we're not going to have a ton of projects on. We'll probably do an exhaust and some minor things to it. This is just my first leader bike that I've ever had, and just wanted a taste of, the dark side. And then we also have my 1996 328 IS. I've had this car for around 10 years now. We have big plans and aspirations for this one. But as you can tell, it needs a little bit of love. It's been sitting for about 2 or 3 years. It still runs and drives, but this is going to be probably one of the more major projects we have here on the channel. And then we also have the tow rig, 17-2500 HD gas job, because easy to maintain. I put a crap ton of miles on this thing, but when we're going to pick up cars, going to pick up car parts, towing cars different places, going to different car shows where I need a truck and a trailer, this is going to be the tow rig for it. So that was a sneak peek of what you're going to see on SMACs Garage. If you have any recommendations, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Until then, see y'all next time.